Greetings to all. In this slide, we will explain about Linux history. Linux began in 1991 as a personal project by Finnish student Linus Torvalds. He was born in 28 December 1969. Linus Torvalds was a Finnish-American software engineer. In 1991, while studying computer science at University of Helsinki, Linus Torvalds began a project that later became the Linux kernel. Linus Torvalds first published the Linux kernel under its own license, which had a restriction on commercial activity. Later, in 1992, Torvalds suggested releasing the kernel under the GNU General Public License. Around 2000, Linus Torvalds clarified that the Linux kernel uses the GPLv2 license without the common or related clause. Torvalds announced in 1996 that there would be a mascot for Linux, that's a penguin. So he called it as Tex. This is the brief history of Linux involvement. It's a summary. You can go through it.